It is nice to walk the campus and see the final product, and it's finally done, and we can see the smiles on the kids' faces, and the teachers are happy, and they finally have their home base of where their classroom's going to be, and it's a beautiful thing.
The energy at the pep rally was phenomenal. We haven't had an opportunity to have a pep rally indoors for quite some time. Even the ones that we did attempt to do had significantly reduced numbers of students because of the size of our old gym. Student population growth was certainly one of the top priorities. One of the other elements is that this campus had really virtually not been touched in quite some time. We were having a tremendous issue with students not being able to park on campus. They were parking across the street at the local grocery store, walking across the street. So the entire element leading into campus off of Buckingham Road is where it started. Then when you work inside the building, there's really not any corner of the building that has not been touched. Every single element of the interior space, classrooms were reconfigured, hallways were expanded. Infrastructure was a huge portion of this, with electrical, fire safety with sprinkler systems, new AC units. Basically the existing exterior structure is what remains. Yeah, so all of the renovations that took place here were a result of the half-cent sales tax that our community voted to enact, and really allowed for this type of a project to occur. Without that half-cent sales tax, would have been very difficult, I imagine, for funding purposes. But as a result of that half-cent sales tax, not just the Riverdale renovation, but a lot of the schools' infrastructures and things like that have been able to be addressed.
The science teachers love having a working lab that they can finally do experiments and take their learning, the kids' learning, to a different level, because they have good sinks and counter space, and the chemistry labs are brand new, so they have all the hoods they can use for experiments, so they're excited. The teachers in the classroom are excited because they have updated furniture, they have bigger classrooms to work with. It is a breath of fresh air when you walk down the hallways and you can see the kids smile on their face. It's a sense of pride that we have.
I've said for years that people make the place, and Riverdale High School has always been blessed to have incredible people.